If you sell on Etsy in 2026, there's one thing that can completely change your sales SEO. Because honestly, even amazing products won't sell if nobody can find them. And the good news is, you do not need expensive tools to improve your Etsy SEO. So, in this video, I'll show you zero-cost SEO tips for Etsy sellers that can help your listings get more visibility without spending money. First, use keywords people are actually searching for. Because honestly, many Etsy sellers make the mistake of using creative titles instead of searchable titles. For example, instead of naming a product, dreamy summer vibes, mug use something clear like cute ceramic coffee mug for women, because that's what people actually type into. Etsy search. Now here's how to find free keywords. Go directly to Etsy search and start typing your product. Etsy will automatically show popular search suggestions, and honestly, these suggestions are gold because they come from real searches. Now, another important tip: put your main keyword at the beginning of your title, because Etsy pays a lot of attention to the first words in your listing title. So instead of handmade gift, personalized leather wallet, try personalized leather wallet. Handmade gift for men. Now another free SEO trick is all 13. Etsy tags. A lot of beginners only use a few tags, which is a huge mistake because tags help Etsy understand what your product is about. So use all available tag spaces and honestly try using long phrases instead of single words. For example, instead of wallet, use personalized leather wallet. Now let's talk about product descriptions, because yes, descriptions still matter for SEO, especially the first few lines. So naturally include your keywords in the beginning of the description, but don't spam keywords unnaturally, because honestly, that can make your listing look bad to buyers. Now another huge free tip: improve your click-through rate with better thumbnails, because Etsy notices when people click your listing more often than others. And honestly, better thumbnail can sometimes improve rankings without changing anything else. Bright lighting, clear backgrounds, and easy-to-see products. Now another underrated trick: renew and update old listings, because inactive listings often lose momentum over time. Even small changes like new photos, updated tags, or improved title can help Etsy re-index your product. Now, here's another thing many sellers ignore: consistency. Because honestly, shops that upload products regularly usually perform better long-term. Even adding one new listing consistently can help your shop activity. Now, let's be honest for a second. Etsy SEO in 2026 is less about hacking the algorithm and more about understanding what buyers are actually searching for. Because Etsy wants products that get click-jet favorites and get sales. So to wrap this up, the best zero-cost Etsy SEO tips are: use searchable keywords, use all 13 tags, improve thumbnails, optimize titles and descriptions, and stay consistent with your shop. And honestly, small SEO improvements can make a huge difference over time on Etsy.